Okay.
Did you got time to look into this history?
Yes, I just went through that W3C thing and also Wikipedia. Also, I read a little bit.
Okay. Just wanted to show you about a little how to use that, and then we'll go ahead.
Okay.
See, this would be the body of the program project.
Okay. I cannot see the picture right now.
Let's see what else hope is, okay? This way. For a perspective. Well,
Mhm. I can see the picture now.
alright. Let's go.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm just, that's not all, just
Okay.
about what's this. Yeah, yesterday we were here talking about XML and so on. I think that communication would be in the XML.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And see, and there are ways that you can write that XML.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can write any tag with any tag. There's no limitation. But what tag under which tag and what values what tag or element can have. This is something decided by the W3C.
Okay.
W3C is a body, it's a consortium that give the standards for abstract.
Okay.
Now, see, I can uh, communicate to any person, but there are certain protocols that I could, communicate whatever I have to. Protocols means it's a kind of a pattern that I have to follow. If I'm a producer of something and another person is consumer, then I should know how to consume and I
Mm-hmm.
should know how to produce it.
Okay.
And there's a pattern, pattern in the sense that you should also know that what elements you are expecting as a consumer into as a child element, and what are the root elements, what XML message. You should know the structure of XML before you are consuming a message. It's a messaging oriented system,
Okay.
web services. And message go from one consumer to producer uh, in an XML format. But to write an XML, a standard way of writing an XML message is there.
Mm-hmm.
That is called SOAP message, Simple Object Access Protocol.
Okay.
So, SOAP protocol.
Mm-hmm.
SOAP protocol is nothing but it's a format system that writes the XML.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever the message you write into an XML, as per that access at what the WSDL will tell you the URL of the web service.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the URL, and this web service will going to consume this type of message.
Can you share once again because the picture just now came? You were telling something, correct?
Okay. Now I will not written it, but I'm just you need to pay attention to what I'm just speaking. Which I am telling you. Alright. There is one more picture that so Wisdom will help you how to format a message, how to write a message. When message is written, it's in a message or payload.
Mm-hmm.
Is written in a format that is called what?
SOAP
Protocol.
protocol.
So web service to web service, client to web service, all that communication is in this format.
Okay.
So if you check this slide or this that will again take you to the W3C site. W3C school.com. It will tell that the format of the format. Simple object access protocol. So you can try and see Wikipedia is there. You can read on Wikipedia. And let's go to W3C school. I'm not going to read that, but I would show you that. So what is this? But you can get that insight of the how to consume and produce a soap message. Can you see this soap tutorial?
Not right now. I don't know why this 1 minute gap is there. Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. See, the link in the left hand side will take you there and tell you that about that how to what is in the soap.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Little introduction about the soaps and how to form a soap message. Soap header, body, fold, domestically. Then can I read it? This is small tutorial. Okay. Let it. So what is that inside is this kind of message. And how to form this message you can see through the visual. Visually giving you all the information about how to produce this message for the soap service, soap service. You see this.
Yes, I can see the picture now.
Yeah. This is a payload, what a web service or a process will consume. Another application will send. If you go to the next message structure, soap message structure, detail below, you can see that there is a next, that there are the boxes there, the soap message, it says an XML document. Okay? Then you have a soap part. Soap message consists of soap part. And soap part, that's what goes to the, it's similar to the letter that comes to your inbox. The mail have an address, similar to that. Soap envelope is there, that has the all that, the body of, it's a container, say, an envelope. That's why it's called soap envelope. A normal letter that comes to your house, somebody posts it. It's for understand. Every message will have an envelope because the message travels, inside the envelope, and the envelope will have a header that is called soap header. Header is where you keep the right address of that web service, where the message will go.
Mm-hmm.
That is called header. Soap header. That's an optional part. Header will have the URL for the web service consuming this soap message because it will travel whole, through the network, routers, and then finally it will reach the server, where the your VPL is or any other web service engine is. And the body is the what you have the content, what data you want to send. So body just below that.
Mm-hmm.
That's my content. And then there is also the tag called soap fault. Soap fault is nothing but type of exception. If some error is there, received from that web service, so the client application can understand that soap fault,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Okay.
So this is the message. Soap envelope. If you write, see the code. Code is little above. Soap envelope, and then that there is a little bit of attribute. Soap attribute says that this belongs to this namespace, this element, and then you have the body element, soap body, and body. Whatever you write inside the body also belongs to a certain namespace. You could see that XMLNS specifies a namespace. Then you have another tag called get stock invoke. So this message, for example, is to obtain the stock price.
Mm-hmm.
these are the parameters. Stock name is a parameter that method or the operation will consume. Will have. So there is a text called IPM.
Mm-hmm.
This is the value. This is the content of that parameter IPM. And then you close the body. Close the set it on the net.
Okay.
And if you could see on the right, it's a SOAP message response.
Okay.
And the SOAP engine or the this thing, the web service engine would or the PBL process will again form of SOAP response message that would take this format. Again the SOAP envelope, SOAP body, and the message would be returned from this get price response, and again now this time this is the value of the response, and you close the body. Since all the remote, that this XML communication is overestimated most of the time.
Okay. What is like
Hypertext transform, HTTP, because it's on the wire, all that, which
I have one doubt, Neeraj. There were two things you told.
yes,
Initially, we had the WSD, WSDL. I understood like it will tell, WSDL will test about the address, this one address and the OSB things, everything. Then what is this SOAP protocol then?
SOAP protocol. Okay, this is the URL for the web service will have this kind of operations you can remove, and this operation will consume this kind of parameter string or integer, and this operation will return this type of the parameter. And apart from that, now this is what the WSDL is. Okay, until now.
I understood like what is WSDL and what is SOAP protocol, but how are they both linked? Like, is there any link between the two or something?
Link?
No, see,
Yeah, I mean, see, it's a universal standard to make a message. But if I have to send a message, XML, I know the web service, I know that is the URL, I know that it's going to consume. These are certain operations. Okay. But what is the way that I can write a message body?
Okay.
Like if you write an application, business application, say you start with dear sir and madam, and then on the right hand little right side you write paragraph and you write a content and everything. And finally you have a closing note, and then you say regards, and then you need to write your own signature. This is a kind of format. Apart from what you know about the consumer who is going to consume your letter.
Okay.
You have that URL. He is going to have, can read out XML. He can read it in English. But you need to write it into certain format that he can easily interpret it.
Okay.
If you write a dear XYZ, then he'll understand that there is some candidate writing it or some, guy that he'll going to read the content, and then he'll expect certain signature from where the message has come from. At the bottom, I'll see that the mobile or contact. So universally, it's an adopted standard. Universally, I'm telling you, universal means, all the web service most of that. I mean, web service was developed with this thing in mind that you need to have a certain format of a message in which this web service is going to consume. I could have the body at the outside this envelope as well, but that doesn't make any sense for consumer. if I write it, outside that envelope, anybody can read it. So there is a format universally adopted. That this is a way that you can write your action. It's a protocol. It's a rule.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You can send a message in any format.
Okay.
And then you can start writing without any signature or without any dear that kind of salutations.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And you can end up. This is a format that you need to follow, or any client application to follow.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
If
Okay.
you and you can read a detail about this Wikipedia about what is food.
Okay. Got it.
For exchanging structured information, so that other side can easily consume it. And if you have a structured information, then any day, any time you can invoke another web service that follows. So there's a way that you could write. So that's good. So this payload follows the is written in a SOAP protocol. So most of them, well, web service follow this protocol. SOAP protocol.
Okay.
So this is the type of request and this is the type of response.
Okay.
And the entire information out which what is the, if you could see that the get stock price is in green.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to write it just for understanding.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
This is a method name.
Mm-hmm.
The method that the web service will going to invoke, because web service will have lots of methods.
Mm. Okay. Okay.
So if you could see that SOAP over HTTP. Why SOAP over HTTP? Because the message travel on wire, and universally HTTP is standard protocol to HTTP and HTTPS.
Mm-hmm.
And you can also send through JMS. JMS you heard about, Java Messaging Service, Java Message Queue, Publisher, Subscriber Queues.
Okay.
So these are protocols that you can use to send data. Protocol is something. HTTP, it's a stateless protocol.
Mm-hmm.
If you could see on the browser,
Okay.
not there, or if I write HTTP, it's implicit, it's hidden, but it is HTTP request. Every request you make through the browser is an HTTP request. You can send a message through that protocol.
Okay.
That's why it's called SOAP protocol over HTTP. XML based protocol. Or and there are variety of other protocols. That's why we have the adapter. The envelope had so if you write a code, so do you like that? So parameter will have certain XML that will tell you what is the destination for this message,
Okay.
and then the body have XML payload.
Okay. Okay.
The data and the method, and then you have also the faults associated. This method might send certain fault with exceptions. If it's some error is there, the parameter is wrong, so it will going to throw some error.
Okay.
And then your client will can will and if it receives some fault or exception, it will go to tell the client will have a way to tell that this kind of error have happened on the server side.
Okay.
It's called SOAP fault.
ठीक है.
SOAP fault will have fault code, fault string, fault vector, and tell this kind of parameters it will have. Fault. You'll get this fault information from the same site. SOAP fault. Alright.
Okay.
Now let's see something else that now these days you have another protocol called REST. But this is not our topic of discussion. What was about to know? That's a little bit of okay. See, master. You could see that I have written download with installation order. Okay. And install with some kind of order. First we have our Galaxy RCU.UT, WebLogic server, OSB server, SOA server. Here.
Wait, the picture did. Okay, okay, it came now.
Our Galaxy RCU.UT, WebLogic. These continue to have installation in certain order. This order.
Okay.
Right over a Galaxy RCU WebLogic. Now WebLogic is at the core of everything,
Okay.
Okay. Stands for short for WebLogic.
Okay.
Then we have another, a software layer inside the WebLogic after installation. That's the way. Called SOA infra.
Okay.
Right? SOA infrastructure is called. It will take container, it's a container of other engines. There are lots of engines now. SOA infrastructure, it's called. You can manage your SOA application, obviously. So within that, you will have what other engine installation called BPL engine. So all the request, BPL request will add up to this.
Okay.
And what OSP. But OSP is not part of the system. But you'll have another components. Human task engine.
Mm-hmm.
Why I'm telling because they have what business rule engine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
There's another engine called spring engine that comes. So, spring engine. Okay.
Okay.
So when you make a composite application over based app that is also for composite app, why composite? Because it's made of components.
Mm-hmm.
App means application.
Okay.
It will have the EPL component one. It will have human task. Basically, BR stands for business rule engine.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then you have what spring. So your application layout will have this kind of components.
Okay. Okay.
So your composite app. Now you're going to deploy your app to the Soma Extra. Okay. So Soma Extra what will do, it will again see that it will try to, because this is an archive of compressed file,
Mm-hmm.
this deployment. The Soma based app called SAR with extension. Soma archive. Then deploy it to Soma Infra. And once it gets deployed, every component, so VPL will go to the VPL engine, human task component will be deployed to human task engine, business rule to business, respect to respect. And you can see this an entire install this thing what we know, this runtime was provided by WebLogic.
Can you explain this
Listed on the WebLogic server.
this deployment once more? What happens actually? There are two things, correct? One is SOA based application and one is SOA infra. After that, you explained something deployment, correct? I didn't understood that.
Soma in see, once you start with the IDE, okay, integrated development environment,
Mm-hmm.
you will make this application using JDeveloper, DEVLO, 90.
Okay.
Here that's what I showing later. See, JDeveloper. And so you will make a Soma based application there, and then you will use this component. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then then you're gonna compile this application there in the JWF.
Okay.
After compilation, there will be a compressed file.
Mm-hmm.
Compressed means compressed file, that archive with this say project name dot sa,
Okay.
and then JDevelop will going to deploy it to the WebLogic or so on. Deploy means you put that entire code
Mm-hmm.
to SOA infrastructure. SOA infrastructure will take care of binding that, because this is a composite application that is linked together. Every component is linked. So
Okay.
SOA infrastructure will take care of binding those links. That's called binding.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So once it is receive that file, so infra.sar that have this kind of application,
Mm-hmm.
it will going to an archive. It will going to decompress that these components, and separate it will going to deploy it to separate engines.
Okay.
VPL engine will VPL component will go to the VPL engine. Event task will go to the event task engine, and business rule component will go to the business engine, and sprint component will go to the sprint component. And this engine will then start executing under SOA infra. And SOA infra is an application, pre-built applications that get installed on the WebLogic
Mm-hmm.
once you install that SOA server. If you could see in the download section in the box, there's a third,
WebLogic server.
sorry,
WebLogic server.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So if you could see, the download with installation order, the setting,
Okay.
the lab.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah.
You could see at the second last
SOA server.
SOA server. There is a SOA server. You're going to install it once you install the SOA server, SOA infra application will get installed on the WebLogic, and this engine will get stored. VPL, BRST, Redact.
Okay.
And from there you can manage the applications as well.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's take it. That's awesome. Oh, okay. So these are the components that come to SOA server. And this picture is stock you can get from the Oracle site. Okay.
Okay.
Then you are, this is a URL.
Okay.
Browse.
1 second. I cannot see it yet. Actually.
Go and read it. Okay.
Okay, I can see the document now. Oracle Server Suite components.
Have a look at this picture. ETL, B2B,
Um, Not yet. I can only see some thing written, but not any picture.
you know.
Yes, I can see now one picture. Mm-hmm.
And you can get that information about which component is doing what and what things will get deployed there. Oh,
Mm-hmm. You can send these documents to eCorp and they will send it to me then. I'll go through it tomorrow.
sure, sure, sure. Even if you have time in your office, you can follow this URL quickly.
Which you
By
are
the way, I can ask that is it the running project URL government or just for the competency building URL?
which one? Which project?
Yes, you also work on it.
No, I am not working in SOA. I'm working in mainframes.
Alright. This will tell you about the mediator, the entire things about,
Okay.
little bit on say PPL and other things. This is a service bus. If I send you the URL right now,
Okay, send me. You can send it
can I
via
send it
this.
through this?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, you can send it to via this one. You downloaded this full document from that site only?
It's not a download, it's a website. I want to copy paste it.
Okay.
However, I don't know, I mean, it would be there in some, I don't know, but I was on some big attractive page.
Mm-hmm.
There you can only, see the picture.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I got this.
This will tell you about all the components.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You clicked on that link.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can open it. It's like whatever you have said in the on the Word document. It's the same thing here, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I can open that.
So to tell you the life cycle of solar, okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay, sure. I'll go through tomorrow.
Follow it, and, you can leave out OWSM as for, E2B you can leave, or you can read it, but OWSM policy manager, this portion you can read. But you can have it now, not to go into detail, but you can have it read it.
Okay, sure.
This is little about security you can apply, unless you have that, the security concepts clear, you're not going to understand it.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And all that. let's go to the logic. So they have installed the logic, that I'm going to start now. What WebLogic server? The entire thing is hosted on the WebLogic.
Okay.
These are the installation directory. Derby and this is JDK. Yeah,
1 second.
the codes, JDK,
I cannot see it again.
Oracle source server is there. So this kind of install this directory. This directory would be auto created by this tool.
Which one? Which directory?
Okay. This is what you could see, right?
I can see this
These directories.
Oracle middleware, and in middleware there are so many different things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
After installation, we get this directory structure. The logic server is there, this Oracle server is there.
Will you help me in installing all this, or do you want me to install it on my own?
You can install it by your own, but you need to follow the instruction. And you can go to the Oracle site. There will be installation docs that you can follow. Somebody can also ask. This
Maybe you can
is
help
an
me
order
on
also.
Saturday.
Sure.
Saturday we have 3 hours, so on Saturday we can install it.
Will take once you have the downloads, at your end.
Yeah, you just let me know from where I have to download. I'll download everything then.
Sure.
So that Saturday we'll install it.
Sure.
Okay.
So this is the user project directory, and which will have domain, base domain. I'll tell you about the domain as well.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't think I cover it today. That's almost it. But I'll tell you how to start the third one.
Mm-hmm.
So this is now the exe files. We're going to click start WebLogic. So this is the WebLogic server. I'm going to start. See, the console is called WebLogic console. Where we get all the things that WebLogic is starting. It takes little time. Alright?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Before it can get, because there are lots of other applications that it start and deploy it on the start.
Okay.
Let's say take to the WebLogic domain. Domain is nothing doing as a domain is something that area of work it considers. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. Just read out this now.
OSB.
See, whenever we install anything,
I didn't understood what is this.
you understand. Anyhow, I'll tell you one slide for that update. Let's domain is an area of work.
Mm-hmm.
This is a web logic server. I'm writing W. So every web logic once installed, will have one admin server and will have a managed server. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
there will be 0 or n managed server.
Okay.
That's it. Or n. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but you will have one admin server at most. So generally in production environment, you will have lots of managed server. Production means where the entire thing at the end get deployed for the client can consume, start. I'm writing managed server to these are all managed server.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in production, generally speaking, not in development. See, development and production are different environments. Environment is how you deploy it, how you know the way you deploy it, and all the networking things,
Mm-hmm.
connectivity things. Yeah, for performance, a lot of things. That administrator would do, configurator would do, assembler would do. These kind of people will, once the development is finished, these people do their, start with the other stuff, before it's get deployed for the client. Actual run real application that the client, the real time interact. So in that involved, this is what for production. There will be lots of managed server, and there will be say one admin server.
Mm-hmm.
So all this BPL and other things, BPL will get deployed to managed server,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This managed server will have OSP. OSP also in itself is a managed server, a
Okay.
server that you can manage. The BPL is also kind of processing that you can have a human task and other components. So all you get deployed to managed server.
Okay.
And what the task of admin server is to manage this managed server,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
The management task. So keeps the management activities away from your code. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So any administrator of the WebLogic will log into the admin server and will start managing OSP, ETL, and other stuff from a central component that is called admin server
Okay.
at one place. So
Mm-hmm.
it's easy to maintain.
Yeah.
So you cannot have a managed server without an admin server.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
at least no. So what they done is they can have this combination. Okay,
Okay.
admin server and one managed server, and you can replicate your OSB to another managed server. Via replication and can manage you replicate it, most of them. You put the same code on the other managed server,
Mm-hmm.
same OSB,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
or same VPA, same, but the managed server is different. Over there identical, but they are different. The code running would be same. The status would be same. The client will never come to know the entity which managed server. The client request, not a client. The idea is why they are replicating or putting the OSB on the two servers is that one OSB change or the this server crashes, this managed server, or it fails, then automatically internally the request will will be taken over by the server without making the client getting the client request. But in order to avoid failover, this kind of application is done.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so this combination, this setup is done to avoid failover.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, and also to load balance.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So another server will pick up that entire thing and will start processing the client request once a minute. So the two things important here. One is the fail to avoid the failover and to do the load balance.
Okay.
And same is the case when you have a VPN installation or any other component installation. Once we have taken for example.
Okay.
So this setup is called clustering.
Mm-hmm.
Cluster. This is one cluster. Cluster is something cluster.
Yes.
It's a general term, cluster.
Mm.
So you get one cluster, then you can have this kind of setup that is VP. This is another cluster.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can cluster any way you want. Or you can have a single cluster
Mm-hmm.
that
Okay.
cluster is called. Okay.
Okay.
So the idea is to tell about. So this is also called sometimes referred to as domain.
Also called as
Domain.
domain. Okay.
So this is an OSB domain. This is a BPL domain. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But you need to have admin server for every domain. At least one admin server always be there to manage your domain or the managed server.
So is it possible like we have one admin server and suppose two OSB managed server? So this total is called
Yes.
as OSB domain. And one
Yes.
another BPL domain will also have one admin plus like suppose 2 or 3 BPL managed servers like that.
Yes. Right.
But initially you told there can be only one managed server for all.
Sorry, come again.
You told correct there will be only one admin server.
Yeah, there had to be, at least one one admin server.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot have a managed server in your domain without admin server
Okay. Okay. Got it.
or in a cluster.
Okay. Got it.
How would you manage if you don't have an administrator?
No. What I understood, like the admin server will be always one. That's what I thought.
Yes. Yeah, well, you could have a separate admin server as well.
So we can have 2 or 3 admin servers also.
Right? You could have.
Okay.
That's another combination that you can.
Okay.
Then you have to have another administrator,
Mm-hmm.
another login and password, and you need to allocate a resource for that. That. Well, you can have any combination. It depends upon enterprise to enterprise how they set up their requirements. It's not something, it comes from specifications that you need to follow. But in production stage, what Oracle have done it because it's difficult, it's a separate, tools to manage this manage server and server.
Mm-hmm.
And it's for development purpose. You need to, it's very hard to deploy a port to manage server
Mm-hmm.
and admin it to administrator, and manage it through the admin server.
Mm-hmm.
This is set up for the production model. But what is for the development for easy development, what the developer do, or the people do in the projects, they simply don't install or create a managed server.
Okay.
What they do, instead of creating or deploying those to a managed server, they directly go and deploy to the admin server.
Oh.
For ease of deployment and development. Sorry?
Okay. I know I was. Okay.
You got something you have a query like that.
No. I was just listening to you. Like they know, like how in production they are directly deploying to admin server. Okay.
Not in production, but they're deploying it to in development as well.
Oh, in
This is
development.
start I told you, this is in development, not production now.
Mm-hmm.
But I've not written anything about the development. I only told this is not production.
Okay.
Production EN restart for all. Is it time to go? Let me know.
What?
Sorry?
Yeah. We'll wind up in by 8:15.
Alright. So this is for the production environment. So what happened in development environment, our development environment,
Mm-hmm.
because these are different set of people. Once they take up the code, they will create this managed server by themselves. They'll create the admin server by themselves.
Mm-hmm.
These people belong to different category of the space they have.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And in a big organization, there are the enterprise that once you commit it to the repository of development, and then they deploy it by themselves. Your task is up to only to interview. A developer environment I've noticed it just for the because they'll come across when you're reading the code, you start deploying it. Managed server and this server, then you get confused about what is managed server. I didn't heard about it. Well, there are managed server. OSBin itself is a managed server. Anything that could be managed is a managed server.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So that generally in production you don't do it. In development you don't have this.
Okay.
Just for EN, right? So you don't do any clustering in development at all.
Okay.
Because once you do the clustering, then you will, should have enough skill to manage that cluster.
Yeah. Okay.
So what you do, generally people do, they manage and deploy to the same server.
Okay.
You need to manage slash deploy and the feature in the logic or base domain generally. So you could see that I've shown you the directory or base domain when I was showing you the directory. I'll show you once again. So everything was everything sorry that VPL, all the things of PL deployed to the admin server.
Okay.
And from this server only you will manage those stuff.
Okay. Got it.
This is the development mode. So there is no clustering. So I need not to manage anything up to the degree where whatever required because performance is the main issue in the production environment. Because there are thousands of requests coming up to the server, the managed server. And there would be the case where one server cannot take that much request. It will transfer that request on another server for load balancing.
Okay.
That's how it will manage that system.
Okay.
Okay. So now one thing more then you could see the director. This can see now and fully see it. Right?
Yeah.
It's right. See, right from the last there is a pin. Before that, when you could see the base domains there. Can you see the directory of base domain?
Yes, in that base domain bin.
Yeah, bin is not a bin is a directory that has a binary executable files. But yeah, this is the base domain.
Okay.
For development.
Okay.
Alright? We have this kind of another directory structure. And server load we have. I have a bin directory here that will going to start my base domain, admin server. I already started it using this executable file. See, you could see that these are the data. It says that the last server platform is running and accepting requests. Okay.
Okay.
Could you see that?
Yes, I can see.
Server platform is on.
Yes, I can see.
So this is not another. So once we have this thing, you can go to the logic. From the browser. You can, this is a URL format. Logic console it is called. is the first access, so it's deploying all the application on the first time. So once, alright,
Mm-hmm.
so take little time before you could see the home page. See, you see the admin console. The logic administrator will log in. So once you install it, you'll have all the passwords.
Okay.
Our password. Going to connect to the web server. It's logging. Can you see this page?
Not now. Not right now.
AWG.
Yeah, I cannot see it right now. It's still on that login page. Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. So this is an Oracle WebLogic console. It's a console,
Mm-hmm.
It's not directly you're learning up to the admin server. It's a WebLogic.
Mm-hmm.
WebLogic will have lots of things. It will have what? Not again to that. Lots of applications. So it was. Then you have lots of other applications.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Here's another one. Another one. Another one.
Mm-hmm.
And your admin server would be somewhere.
Okay.
So this is where so that's why directly don't go to the typical Indian admin server.
Okay.
So this is a page, the home page for WebLogic. You could see the environments, deployment services, relays, internet diagnostics,
Mm-hmm.
and every link will take you to the next page that you can manage the things. So you could see the domain, what domains are there.
Mm-hmm.
You are covered the domain. Let's go to it. Domain.
Okay.
Yeah, clicked on the domain. This is my domain, page domain, admin server domain. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever you're going to deploy it to the admin server,
Mm-hmm.
you can configure things for those sources.
Okay.
Say you can monitor whatever is deployed to today. Admin server.
Okay.
Really you can control other things. There's security you can apply. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
You could see admin server. Okay, you can also you could apply security, you can check the health of the server, a lot of stuff. See, showing that admin server is active, it's a running state.
Mm-hmm.
And the
Okay.
one calculated looks back. See, these are the applications that will be deployed to that. see in the application name. These all get deployed once you start the system or other than that might take time
Okay.
before it initially gets started. And there are few applications that it's pre-built applications that come to SOA server. Right?
Mm-hmm.
See, this is SOA infra. I told you that the admin server will have a SOA infra built on the SOA infra application. At the bottom, you could see BARM server or BAM. This is a separate server.
Mm-hmm.
Server itself is a managed server. Not that on the SOA infra. I told the SOA infra will have lots of things about what EPL, OSP, engines, that anything that you get deployed.
Okay.
So you can deploy from here as well. Two ways. You can deploy from here, SOA infrastructure,
Mm-hmm.
and you can deploy from JDevelopers.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is a you can have an overview deployment plan that you can make for deployment configure, you can security deploy to the deployments. Then you can test the monitor. So this is the administrator, actually the web logic administrator will do it
Mm-hmm. Okay.
for production environment. That works from here.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So for us, let's go to the
Neeraj, we'll continue it tomorrow if it's fine with you.
yes, yes. Alright, let's try to close down. Let's before we close, let's see what's there. That this type, this
Mm-hmm.
tabs. So environment will have server, cluster, virtual host, all the things. The deployments,
Mm-hmm.
what applications are deployed to. So here from here you can start and deploy, undeploy, you can delete an application deployed,
Mm-hmm.
and you can pull it to one by one. See, this is a VPL calling web service application I deployed it to. So this is all that deployment. So once you are done, you can simply alright, you can
Actually, when you work in Oracle SOA, you basically work on this website.
and for the day tomorrow, what will we not start with? Which website?
No, you are showing me
This
the.
is my local system.
No, I understood this is your local system, but I'm generally asking, like in office and all, you work in some web, this like WebLogic server, this site only, correct?
Yeah, this is the same, you look at everything would be same.
Okay.
But the task set up at the that's running the development environment.
Mm-hmm.
For production, developer don't see the production environment. It's not exposed to a developer.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
The reason behind they can hack the site anytime. If it's a banking application, they'll come to know,
Yes.
what code is, deployed to it, what component.
Okay.
It's not for the hacking, but it's generally different set of people. Once you have things developed at the development stage, once you are committing to staging environment, you're done with the go wrong. Then again, the testing people will come, quality people, quality control people, they'll come and take out your code and put the tag out onto different server. That's called staging server. They'll test it, bug is there, they'll report it, and the developer again that will start. Once that staging environment is done, testing is done, then they'll again do the clearance that everything is running fine. Then they'll and then another set of people will come. They will take that again, take out the code from the repository and put it into different environment. That's called production environment.
Okay.
They have an entire list of specifications that they need to have it in a different nodes cluster. How many nodes would be there? How many clusters would be there? How many admin server would be there, how many machines you require, data would be. But if you have this server-based application, not as something that is it's a big application. Your enterprise-wide application. The big enterprise like Oracle themselves, IBM, and others. Those are who are operating, 24/7 all around the world in domain geographies. They're going to have this kind of application.
Okay. Okay. Mm.
Server-based application, service-based application. So different, server machines and having kind of not having but configurations thing.
Mm-hmm.
So, but we knew in order to deploy to those configurations, they might directly go to the production environment. I need to understand about the constraint, things that is away from the developer. So more time get wasted knowing about the constraint and everything that is not meaningful for a developer.
Mm-hmm.
So Oracle have provided a development environment, easy development that you can easily develop and deploy to single admin server without any hassle,
Okay.
of deployment.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's good. Any queries for the day now?
No, everything is fine.
Today is